When office bathrooms arrive without supplied cleaning tools, crews should immediately switch to a prepared contingency kit and proceed with the cleaning schedule without delay. First, carry a compact contingency kit that includes a spare toilet brush, a pair of nitrile gloves, an all-purpose disinfectant, a concentrated bathroom cleaner, disposable microfiber cloths, single-use disposable wipes, and a small caddy to keep these items organized. Train crews to perform a rapid risk assessment on arrival. Check for visible biohazards, running water, and ventilation. Then don gloves and use the toilet brush and disinfectant on fixtures before addressing sinks and countertops. Use the concentrated cleaners diluted per manufacturer instructions in a labeled spray bottle to ensure correct contact time for disinfection, and always allow the surface to remain wet for the recommended period for pathogen kill. Adopt a one-way cleaning flow from clean to dirty areas to avoid cross-contamination, using separate cloths for sinks and toilets and discarding or laundering cloths after each use. Keep a supply log and restock the caddy at the end of each shift so teams never start without essentials. And assign a secondary cleaner to carry extra consumables such as extra gloves, toilet paper, and hand soap if the building has none. For chemical safety, store safety data sheets with the kit, use eye protection when mixing concentrates, and never mix bleach with acids or ammonia-based cleaners to prevent toxic gas formation. Common issues include running out of supplies mid-shift, which delays service, so keep a small backup bag on the vehicle or on the lead cleaner to resupply immediately. Another frequent problem is staff uncertainty about proper dilution and contact time, which reduces disinfection effectiveness, so provide laminated quick reference cards in the kit and practice dilution routines during training. A third concern is client pushback when we use our own supplies in a space they supply. So, communicate clearly in the contract and on arrival that we will use our contingency kit to meet service level requirements and leave a brief note for the client listing items used and any supply shortfalls. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects and maintenance, including cleaning contingencies, and we help homeowners find local service providers while helping contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we and others exchange practical tips, lessons learned, and real-world experiences about on-the-job contingencies and supply preparedness.